In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight or change the formatting of cells that have values that are above a specific number. So here I have some sales data, for example, and let's just say I wanted to use conditional formatting to highlight any sales that are over $10,000. To do this, I first want to highlight the range of data that I want to apply the conditional formatting to. Then from here, I want to go to the Home tab, and I want to click on Conditional Formatting. And from here, I'm going to want to click on New Rules. Now, I'm going to want to click on Format Only Cells that contain, and I want to have it be cell values. You can pick between different things. In this example, I want it to be cell values, the values that are just in the cell, not between, but greater than a given number. Note there are different options that you can kind of play with as well to get this to be what you want it to be equal to, greater than, not equal to, not between, and really just giving a lot of flexibility to format what you need to format. Greater than, I'm going to want to have it be $10,000. For this example, we can also use this as a reference as well. Now I'm going to apply the formatting by clicking on Format. And from here, there's a lot of different kind of formatting options that you can tweak. You can change the way the number is formatted. So just say I wanted it to be a currency format for that reason. And I want the font to be a bold font, for example. That's struck through or not struck through. And you can also have the border, so you can, for example, apply the border on the cells. Now this is formatting that's not necessarily practical, but to kind of show you all the options you can mess with if you want to. And then I can have a fill that's green. For example, there's a lot of different flexibility in the fill colors that you can choose. Just kind of mess around with these formatting options to really do what you want it to do. And click on OK. Click on OK. Now cell values with the range, cells with the values greater than $10,000 are now highlighted in this funky green format. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.